and today we have a very fun box to share with everybody. We have a bark box, which is why I have my furry babies here with me. So this is Ellie. She's a German Shorthair. And then I've got Otto over here, and Benny. My little grouchy man Benny he'll be here in just a second. So this is our first bark box. Bark box is a monthly subscription box. It's $22 a box. I think if you subscribe for 6 or 12 months at a time, it gets cheaper. And you go on, you do a profile for your dog, and they kind of tell you, okay, somebody is very interested already in what we have. Here, come over here. Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Yeah. So let's show our guests what we have. Whoops, something, a little paperwork fell out. So that's what the inside looks like. It says, they're all themed. It says, Frenchies in Paris is the theme. Oh, sorry, buddy. Okay. So it says, how to bark box. And that's what this little paperwork here. So it says, when you open your bark box, or when your dog rips it open from delivery with glee, at least 2 mind-blowing toys designed in-house with unique materials like spiky ball cores, plush toys, 2 full bags of treats, all new chews chosen with the highest quality. So party time for your pups. And then this side says strut your fluff, just some little details. And then this picture here says, welcome to the bark box. It's very cute. All right, let's see what we got. Can you sit? Sit. Okay, good boy. Yeah, okay, thank you. Here, why don't you come stand up? Okay, so let's see what we got. So first up, there is a little frog that says Croque Monsieur. It's a little squeaky. It's got squeaky legs. Here, let's pop this off. Ooh, what's this? Oh, Benny wants this one. Here, Benny, Benny, get it, Benny. And then there's a little purple beret. Oh, somebody's smelling the treats down there. You want this one? No? Okay, we'll put this right here. And this is the Bonjour Baguette. Another squeaky. Oh, you like that one? Here, you want to hold on to that? And then, oh, this is cute. So it's like a mustache. Here, hold this. Here, stick it in your mouth. There you go. Open your mouth up. Stick it in there. It's just like a mustache in the front of her face. Here, you want to look like you have a mustache? It's like, oui, oui. He's like, no, no. You want this? You just want to lick it? And then there are some snacks in here. So here is a peanut butter and carob stick. It says peanut butter carob recipe. It's like a hard chew, like a, get a little closer. It's kind of like a chew treat. Oh, somebody can, no, you're not gonna have that yet. Okay, let me hang on to that. And then we've got 2 treats. There's lamb cuts and duck cuts. Let's start with this one. Okay. These are some, these must smell nice. Ooh, you want this? Can you sit? Oh, you're gonna sit, huh? It's a good girl. There you go, good girl. Can you, Otto, sit? Can you speak? What? What? Okay, there you go. And then little Benny, of course, little Benny's over here on the couch. There you go. All right, what do you guys think? You like these? You want one more? Ellie? Good girl, takes it nice. Can you shake? Okay, good boy. Oh, yep. All right, you get a little, you just get one because you're a little on the overweight side. And that's a lot of treats for you. Okay, that's it. That's everything in the bark box. This is fun. They definitely are into it. Here, let's look at these toys again. Let's see. We're not gonna open up any more snacks because I know you. Here. You want this? Oh, you want this? Oh, here you go. Get it. Get it. So this is definitely great. We've got what, 4 toys, because the little frog over there too. So 4 toys, 2 bags of treats, and a chew stick for $22. And this will come once a month. And these seem like nice quality toys. I mean, this thing here is like definitely like nice hard canvas, and it's got the little crinkly stuff in there. Somebody's like a piece of bread with a little butter pout. Okay, there you go. There you go. And this one too, it's like they're all like, they just seem like they're made for dog play. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, because I know that they did. Make sure you like and subscribe. And until next time, see you later. Bye.